Welcome everyone. My name is Enrico Janko. I'm the Signal, powered by the mighty Team Alliance. Yo, I was just watching this Captain Marvel trailer, and yo, I think it's pretty good. And I know like where's all that come from with trading and business, but I think everything in life is trading and business. Everything in life, because we got relationships and what we want at the end of the relationship. There's always some ulterior motive, and the ulterior motive a lot of times ends up in money or something that is of value to us. But anyway, the Captain Marvel trailer I think is crazy, and I like the fact that it's science fiction. All that kind of brings me back to how I felt about Star Wars and stuff, like as a kid. Like if you're younger, you probably don't get that type of, energy from it. But yo, it's amazing how you would get those same type of, I guess, feelings that you got as a child. And these type of actual Marvel movies are definitely doing that, because I guess it's science, and I'm a lover of science, and I'm a lover of science fiction also, because it's vision. It's vision, and I always study vision and what makes the imaginary real, right? How do you make the imaginary real? Like, you'll hear me talk about that just a lot all the time, making the imaginary real, because that's what life is about, really. As it goes, merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So you constantly, moving your reality, and what you see, that knowledge right there, will just unravel you to, the next frame in the scene of your life. But that's just crazy to me. I like Captain Marvel, with the woman hero, and having cosmic awareness. That's a big thing, cosmic awareness, because you could be aware of a lot of things on a smaller level, but with cosmic awareness, everything is just going to add up for you, from the larger to the smaller, because with cosmic awareness, you're kind of dealing with mathematics, and pure mathematics, because in the universe itself is built on just pure mathematics. As far as you look, it explains everything. Even the chaos that we have in the world is explained through mathematics. And it's like, whatever we don't know now, mathematics will explain it in the future. It's like the mathematics of it all will play out until we understand it. And when we understand it, again, we will see that there's math behind it. So I'm always like that. I'm always like to add on, to make the imaginary real, because that's what you do when you're making imaginary real. You're adding on. Even though you're talking about there's nothing there, there always is something there. There's always something. So you can always just add on. And really, your dreams, anything you're thinking in your head right now, because if you could think it kind of in your head, it's a vision, and it's something that's real, because visions are real. How does a vision even come into existence as a thought in your head if it's not real? See, so it has to be a real situation. You just got to get into that frequency to make that real situation actually happen. And man, it's not easy if you don't have any type of cosmic awareness of what's going on. You'll be stuck in inertia, meaning you'll be stuck at a standstill. Once again, mathematics will get you out of that situation, because you need something to push you out of that situation or to pull you out of that situation, because of object that is not in motion will not be in motion until some force moves it in motion. I mean, so it all comes down to that mathematics, and with that all is in math, there's takeaways, right? It's takeaways. There is subtraction in math, right? It's not always add on. There is subtraction in math. So you're always going to have those people that already know this information, that are aware cosmically, but that doesn't mean that they're adding on. They might come to subtract from you. They might come to subtract from you because you don't know. You see? So this is why you got to be aware of it, right? And this is kind of how I look at everything. In the market, I'm looking at it like that. Of course, the market is just people, and all we are is just pure mathematics. Just how I look at it. I thought it's just an interesting, point of view. What's your point of view? What do you think about it? Are you tuned into a certain frequency that you feel makes you thrive? Right? Because I really think I hit that. That's crazy. That's why sometimes I'm looking, but I'm like, hit that frequency. It's like that. And when you feel that power, you know it. Emotion, energy, emotion. You just feel it because it resonates all throughout you. Like, I don't know, you might can see the aura, around me, kind of, because that's how I feel about it. But it's all good because it's all about life and business, and I look at things like that. It makes me, I'm telling you, it makes me make better trades by looking at it like that, right? Because when you look at it like that, you know that if it's about probability, then there's some level of uncertainty involved, because you don't control all the energies. There's other variables that might be acting on the same event or information that you're acting on, right? So since you always know there's uncertainties, that will make you move differently in the market. Trust me. Like, once you really know that it's everything in the market is uncertain at any time, that's going to make you do things different in the market. Like, when it's just, in your headspace, you're not really thinking about it. But when you actually live that, and you live that when it's your time to live it, you'll start making a lot of big trends, progressive trends in the market and what you're doing. All right? It's Enrico Janko. I'm the Signal. We powered by the mighty, mighty Team Alliance. If you're looking to learn how to trade, somewhere on this is some type of information, just hit me up. I'll show you how we do it.